So we need to download the software, right? So we need to download the software. Now open Google. Open Google. Okay, in the Google, we can type it Tableau developer, right? Tableau. This is the website for the Tableau, right? This is the website for the Tableau. Then open this one. Here also we will find Tableau desktop, Tableau public, download, Tableau public, student. So like this, these are the options available in the Tableau, right? So primary we are going to Tableau here. If not, we can go this one. Okay. Now let me complete all the steps here. Okay. Okay. Tableau. Click on Tableau. Now we are identify that these are the all versions available in the Tableau products. Okay. Now we are going to Tableau desktop. This is the Tableau server. So admin can handle this one. Okay. Tableau desktop means those who are Tableau developer, those who are visualization developers, they are to use this one. Okay. This is the cloud. Cloud means online. So this is the prep. Prep means this is a ETL tool. Means you can segregate the data. Okay. Structure. You can design the structurable data. Okay. People can design the. So those people are given the. I mean, the client given the some Excel sheets, some other sheets. Then we can so set up all the things about it. If you have any blank sheets, if you have any null values, so if you have any unstructurable data, okay, in this we can use we can structurable, we can design the structurable data by using the Tableau prep. Okay, next this is the Tableau public. We can every person use this is the Tableau public. Okay, these are the options available in the Tableau product. So mainly we are going to a Tableau desktop. Okay, now this is the Tableau desktop. Open this one. So here this is the trial period. It is having 14 days, right? So it is only 14 days. Okay, it is having 14 days. So after that, if you want to 1 year, so you can purchase the license, or else you can use the student ID key. Okay, student ID key means those who are studying, present studying. Okay, so I'm studying third year BTech. Okay, likewise you can you take the ID card. In the ID you can you will be find the okay. So you will find the address. Okay, name, address, some year. Likewise in this you can see that student ID card. So the student ID card you can upload to the Tableau. So in the if you apply the Tableau, I mean if you have the student ID key to the Tableau, they provide the one key. So you can use up to 1 year. So that is the one method. So second method is you can purchase the Tableau key. This is the licensed version. Okay. And the third one is this is the trial period. It has only 14 days. Okay. Here we can identify the Tableau is Tableau. Okay. So this is the 3 ways. He can use 3 ways. One is trial period, right? Trial period. And second one is student ID key. And third one is license. So we are using the trial period is 14 days. Okay. And the student ID key will be, they provide the 1 year. Okay. 1 year, it is free of cost. Okay. It is a free of cost. Then license key, all know, you know everything. Okay. License key purpose is, so you can pay the some amount and take the key. Okay. This is things you can download under using the key. So now we are using a 14 days trial period. After that, we are going to student ID key. This is the special for the student ID key. So if you need purchase the license key, you can use the license key. This is the paid service. Okay. Now I'm going to use. Okay. Now I'm going to use trial period. Right. You can click here. So it will ask the some few steps here. Okay. Now first name, last name, business. So likewise, it will ask some few queries. Then you can enter all the details here. Okay. You can fill the all the details. So already previous I created so that it will display my names on the display. Okay. So here I am entering the all the details here. So you can use organize means you can put anything, whatever you need. So you are putting anything, no problem. So this is the, you can select any one of this. Okay. If you want to do anything you can select, no worries. Okay. Now I'm using software development like that. So here, what is job role here? I'm using the analyst or artist. So country is in India. and we can select your phone number here. Okay. So I think this is the details. You can fill all the columns here. Okay, all the tabs here. Okay, first name, last name, business ID, organization. You can give the any name, no problem, and you can select the employee company size. So you need to select anything, whatever it is. You can select anything. Okay, and this is also you can select anything else here, and you can select the India and give the download. You can put the you can put the your phone ID. Then you are going to download here. Okay, this is complete free download for 14 days. Okay, we can click here. It will take, I think it will take 3-4 minutes. Okay, this is the how to download the Tableau desktop. This is the current version here. Okay, this is the current. Now it will be going, no problem. So download will be continued. So now we are going to. So what is demo? Tableau training demo. Okay, already I designed some. Already I designed some PPT presentation, and then so I can explain simplified here. Okay, no need to by heart this. I mean what I'm saying. No need to by heart that slides. Okay, so just please understand what I'm saying simply. Then mainly we are going to the content. What is the Tableau content available? You can see that content. So this is the demo purpose. I will explain the simplified here. Okay, now. Okay, this is the Tableau training demo by Lakshman. Okay, so this is our syllabus here. Previously I said to so many people, I designed this. This is the content of the syllabus. Okay, so first, what is data, information, metadata. Previous you discussed already. Okay, Tableau and the entity Tableau component versions. So these are the simple methods we need, because you have to already discuss these topics. Okay, and the data connection available. What is the data connection? Okay, dimension to measures. What is the dimension? What is the measure? Environment, basic visualization, working with multiple dimensions and measures, geographic analysis, filter, joins, cardinals. These are the level 1. So in the level 1, so you are able to see the here. Now we are going to 8.3. Okay, what is data, information, metadata, BI, Tableau, component versions. So what is the Tableau component? Now I'm telling. So version present we are using the 2022 point something version I am using today. Okay. So after that you can go to installation. Already I said you how to download. This is the topic. Then installation will be continue after class. Maybe today I will complete this topic also. Okay. Next, primary, what is data? So data is nothing but a computer can understand whatever you are given. So computer can understand, but a human cannot understand. Why? Because human did not find the what is the metadata, what is title. So that's the point human cannot understand. So that's the reason we can give the all the information for the data. Okay, I will check this one. Okay, so what is the information here already? 1 second. Okay. So what is data first? Data is nothing but simply I'm taking ABC. Okay. So A, B, C, D. This is the data. So I given to the send to the computer here. Okay. Then data and computer can send చేశాను. Okay. Then computer can understand what is given by you. మీరు ఏది ఇచ్చారో you can understand. But human cannot understand. So just understand A, B, C, D. What is that? You don't know. Suppose I'm giving the here. Suppose I'm giving the table here. Okay. Table. In the table, I'm giving the last name. Okay. First name here. Okay. First name. Okay. And last name here. Okay. Last name. In the first name, so suppose I'm giving the A. This is the first name. B. This is the first name. C. This is the first name. In the last name, I'm giving them my name. My names are your names. Okay. A. So A. Suppose here I'm giving the Lakshman here. Okay. Here I'm giving the Anand here. Okay. So here I'm giving the Sridhar here. Okay. Then this is the you can understand. So human can understand this is the steps. So what is A? This is A belongs to first name. What is B? So B belongs to first name. C, what is C? C belongs to first name. In the last name, Lakshman belongs to last name. Anand belongs to last name. Sridhar belongs to last name. So human can understand these steps. But here I'm giving the last name or I'm giving the first name. I don't know. Okay, A, B, C. So what is this? You don't understand. Just simply this is the words you can identify. But a computer can understand this one, this one. So the entire structure can understand the computer. So this is the data. Then what is the, so this is the data and what is the information. So these details, first name, last name, okay, these details belongs to first name. This detail belongs to last name. Then this is the information. Okay, in the first name, they call as a metadata. Okay, already previous class lo discuss చేసింది. So this is the first, okay, metadata. This is the metadata, right? Likewise, you can call as a table, I mean, title bar, title, something you can call it. So likewise, human and computer can understand what is the data, what is the information, what is the metadata. That is called as data, right? Okay. Now clear this one. Now I'm going to, one second. Now, okay. Okay. Next, this is the syllabus. Okay, data is completed. Okay. Okay, data, information, metadata. So what is the BI tool? What is Tableau? Tableau means visualization tool. So human can user can understand easily. You can develop the, so given by the client is an seat example. Simply you can create the visualization. So you can develop the visualization. You are only so one way you can develop the visualization. So that is the Tableau means you can it is a tool. So tool given with the software, Tableau company. So then you can use the tool. So by using the tool you can create the multiple charts, multiple visualizations, so based on your client requirement. That is the Tableau. So what is the Tableau components? Okay, now we are going to here. I'm going to here, come back here, again come back. So this is the Tableau products. Okay, this is the Tableau products. I'm already said you. This is the Tableau desktop, server, cloud, prep, so public management. So this is the Tableau products here available in the Tableau website. Okay, we will discuss later. No worries, this these topics. Okay, this is the Tableau desktop, server, cloud, prep, public, and these are the available in the Tableau products. Okay, now, so now versions. So what is the version here? Okay, Tableau versions. So present we are using a 2022 point something version. Okay, now I'm going to what is the Tableau. So what is the Tableau version here? I'm typing here what is the Tableau. So Tableau version I'm typing here. No, okay, and Tableau versions. So these are the versions available in the Tableau website, right? So now we are going to 2022.3. So every 3 months on data will be on patching on some patches are updated in the versions. So this is the 2023.1. This is the download you can. If you want to 2022 part, you can download this one. So if you need 2023.3, you can download this. So likewise, you can download all the versions. But as for client requirement, we are using 2023 and 2022.4 and 22.3. These are the versions client requirement. Because so every day update will be coming to the Tableau versions. So that's the point. What is the new version? You can download it and you can install your machine. By applying the key, it will be acting as a 1-year license, right? So this is the versions. But since the previous, when I joined in the company, I am using the 2018.3. Okay, then I can use all the version here, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Present, this is the version running. Now already I download this version. So I will be installed later, no problem. So these are the versions available in the Tableau. Okay, next Tableau, I will tell you later. What is the data connection? Data connection will live and external connection available. I'll send you later. Okay, Tableau desktop. What are the just like you have to feel environment means this is the menu bar. Okay, this is the task bar. What are the options available in the Tableau? So those conditions we can apply into the Tableau environment. So what is the dimension? What is the measure here? So dimension is nothing but a, so it has a string format. String format means Lakshman or sales. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, those are comes under the dimensions. So what is the measures? Measurements. It is a measurements. You can implement the numerical format. Okay, so dimension is string format. So measure is a numerical format. So numerical format means sales, profit. Okay, sales, profit. So or else discount. So likewise, you can use the measures. So we will discuss in the coming class, no worries. Okay. Then basic visualizations. Basic visualization means very simple method. Visualization means you can drag and drop into the fields into the visualization. So then automatically chart will be coming. That is called as the basic visualization. So working with multiple dimensions. Multiple dimension, you can multiple dimension use chesi, you can implement the visualization. Like working with multiple measures, you can use the multiple by using the multiple dimension, you can implement the visualization. So geographic analysis, graph use chesi you can use, and filters, required data తీసుకుని use చేస్తాం. And joins means you combine the tables. So I want to display the A table to B table. In the A table, B table, I want to display the something dimension. That is called the joining. So cardinals means it is a hierarchical structure. So data blending means we can combine the data blending. So I want to display the table 1 or I want to display table 2. In this, we can combine the fields. That is called as the data blending. Sets, you can combine the sets, bins, groups. So any kuda, these are the topics available in the our syllabus. Okay. Okay, these are the topic available in the so data aggregation function. These are the calculation function. Okay, some here LOD, action, dashboard, storyboard are all are available in the whole team. So this is the Tableau server. This is the admin role. Okay, admin can handle the steps. Okay, so we are the only Tableau developer. I want to display. I want to do model 1, model 2, and model 3. And coming to this one, this is the entire administration role. Okay, and this is the SQL. This is the SQL. Okay, MySQL, Oracle, whatever it is. You can use multiple softwares, no worries. So I'm using MySQL and Oracle. So in this, you can write the queries and develop the queries. This is the outer. Next, okay. This is the structure of the Tableau. Okay, so ఎలా ఉంది దీని స్ట్రక్చర్ అనేది చూసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. నో వరీస్, దీని గురించి ఏం పెద్ద డిస్కషన్ అవసరం లేదు మనకి. Here I'm saying here what is data. So data warehouse, ETL, BI. So these are the some important points. I sent you the notes. You can read the all the steps. Okay. So coming class already every topic is covered by every topic. No worries. Okay. So prati topic cover out ఉంటుంది. And this is the data. What is the filter? Okay, metadata. So మనకి ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. Here Tableau యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి this is the Tableau. Okay. Now this is the structure అనమాట. Okay, Tableau products ఎలా ఉంది. So this is the Tableau products, desktop, public, server, online, reader. So ETL, these are the Tableau products. Okay, next. Okay, this is the Tableau architecture. Okay, this is the customer data. Customer given the Excel sheet. Okay, and the files, cubes, data mart, likewise given by the customer. So this is the internal process. This is the internal process. So internal process. So you maintain the Tableau repository. Okay, SQL Server, Visual Software, SQL connections. So when you want connection is finally I'm given the output here. So data can start out the then this is the input given by the client. Then after working, you given the output. So this is the process of given. So this is the internal process server, Tableau server. This is the Tableau server maintained by the administrator. So these are the connections. Okay, in the connection, public server, SQL server, data server, gateway, some are available. So you read carefully, no worries. And this is the connection. How to design the dashboard. I will tell you these steps, everything. I will discuss this one. No worries. Okay, and these are the Tableau files extensions. How you save the file. How you can save the file by using this extension. So if you want a Tableau workbook, if you want Tableau package workbook, so data source. So these are the Tableau extension file. Presently, 90% as a Tableau developer, we can use the Tableau package workbook. So this you can apply. So mainly you can use this stuff, right? Next remaining thing just now you can keep in your mind. Okay, just keep in your mind what is TDS, TDSX, okay, hypertext format, TWB. Just keep in mind these steps only. So, but we are using only Tableau package per book. So coming data type here, string data type. Okay, string data type, number data type, and boolean data type, and date and type. These are the data types available in the Tableau, or else MySQL Oracle, right? Next, this is the workspace, data connection page, workspace, menu bar, okay, toolbar, and so dimension measure. I'll tell you this is steps, okay, no worries, okay. So uh, these are the Tableau desktop environment steps. So here this is the Tableau environment. Okay, this is the Tableau desktop environment here. So what are the menus available in the Tableau? This we can apply it. Okay, this is the menu bar, tool bar. Okay, so this is dimension, measure self, sets, bins, parameter, workspace. Okay, so mark sheet, column self, row self. So these are steps available in the options available in the Tableau desktop. Okay, so this is the charts available in the Tableau desktop. Okay, charts. In the if you click this for me, you can able to you can see the all the charts here. Okay, test. You can show here period chart, bullet chart, bar chart, lines, and these are the charts available in the Tableau desktop. Okay, then this is the filtering methods, how you can filter the method. Okay, this is the important questions. Tableau data source filter, context filter, dimension filter, measures, user filter. These are the important questions available in the Tableau desktop, right? So next, LOD function. What is the LOD function? How you can implement the LOD function? Types of LODs here. Okay, fixed and include, exclude. What is the fixed? Okay, what is the include? What is the exclude? So fixed means you can fix the, if you can fix the sales. Okay, include means you can add the any dimension columns. Okay, so in exclude means you can remove the something. Okay, dimension you can remove from the dimension. So you can add the dimension, measures, whatever it is you can add. So you can fix it, you can fix it. So likewise, these steps are available in the LOD function, right? Next, action. So action means you can jump into the one sheet to another sheet. That is the action. So filter, highlighted filter, go to URL sheet, change the set values. So these are the action filters, right? Next, so and this is the topic I covered already. Creative groups, hierarchy, sets, sorting. So this is the data string number. Other these are the some Tableau important queries. Okay. Next, thank you. So this is the about Tableau desktop related to queries. Okay. Now I'm going to open my Tableau desktop. So simply now I'm opening. Already I installed in my PC. So this is the Tableau desktop. So you can see what is the version here, or what is the version available. Okay. So now click here about Tableau here. So now I'm using the 2022.41 here. This is the version right now I'm using, but our latest version is 2023 point something here. Okay. So I am using previous version here. So after the class, again we are going to install this newly version. So what are the updates available? I don't know. We'll check it. Okay, right now. So when you open this page, see this is the first page available in the Tableau desktop. In the first page, you are going to the 2A file here. So 2A file. Okay, now click here, Excel file. I am taking the Super Store here. Click here. Okay. Now, so these are the, in the first page, in the Tableau Excel set, you can able to, these are the tables. So order table, people table, return table. Okay, now I'm taking the order table. No worries. Okay, coming class, all the options are, we will discuss, no worries. Okay, so I'm taking the order table here. So this is the order table. So in the order table, what are the columns available? You can check it. So these are the columns. So row ID, order date, ship mode. So this is the only demo purpose. Okay, no need to worry about these things. Okay, so these are the columns available. These are the data fields. So now I'm going to sheet. So in the sheet, I'm already we discussed them. So what is the dimension? What is the measure? Here, okay. So coming to our syllabus. So here coming to our syllabus, here dimension and measure. A 10th point. See 10th point. Okay, in the 10th point. So this is the dimension. So these are the dimension. So these are the dimensions. These are the measure here. So measure you can identify this symbol, hash symbol. So dimension you can understand ABC, globe, some date and globe ABC, some hash. These are the available options available, right? So this is the dimension and this is the measure here, right? Okay. So these columns you can use visualization purpose. So I want display the category by sales. Okay, I'm taking sales here, right? Now, once clear this one. So suppose I'm taking I'm taking the category here. Okay, in the category, so I want display sales here. So sales drag and drop into columns, right? So I will tell you this option over say. So I think after section we will discuss these steps again. No worries. Okay. Now category wise sales. So it will display the bar chart, right? So if you want to show that, click here show me. So you can able to see all the charts available. What are the charts available in the show me? You can click here. So when you click the show me, it will show the entire charts. How many charts available? Nearly 24 charts available. Right? So now I want to display the bubble chart here. Now click here. So automatically it will move into the bubble chart. Now I want to display the pie chart here. So it will go into the pie chart. Okay. Now I want to display the stacker bar chart. Now click here. So I want to display the heat tree map here. So it will display the tree. So now I'm going to display the heat map here. Don't click here. So I want to display the highlight table. Now can highlight a table. So now I want to display the text. So likewise, we can apply the different charts. Okay, this is the charts given by the tablet. Now, okay, this is the column cell, row cell, okay, query cell, and the filter cell, okay, worksheet, okay, this is the dimension fields and the measure fields, right? Measure fields, and this is the data source given the client. So this is the filter available, this is the view available, right? And this is workspace. So workspace, and this is the menu bar and the toolbar. This is the taskbar. Okay, so you'll have different options available in the tablet test. Okay, so you can discuss. We will discuss one by one later. So now what is so every day? So every day we are in the first page only. Just open first page. Then we can drag and drop in the data source. I can do the visualization. We can make the visualization, right? So likewise, you can use these steps. Suppose I'm giving the another query here. Clear this sheet. Okay, clear this one. Here I want to display this is the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So likewise, we can create the multiple sheets. So sheets up to we can create the 30 sheets for enough. Because so performance issues. So while creating the 40, you can create the 40 sheet. What happened? You can create the 56. What happened? So system will be slow. Why? Because we can create the multiple sheets. We can create the multiple dashboard. We can create the multiple store. That time, so system performance will be decreases. So because we are using a multiple sheets. That's the point you can use up to 20 sheets or up to 15, up to 20 you can use. That is enough. So now this is the sheet 1. Okay, sheet 1 is completed. Now we are going to sheet 2. Okay, in the sheet 2, I want to display another query. Okay, sheet wise sales. Okay, sheet wise sales. Here I want to display the map. This is the map. Okay, click here. So map will be coming. It will be taking 3-4 seconds only. So this is the map here, right? Now I'm going to sheet 3. Now I'm going to annotate here. So annotate means year wise. Now I want to display the property here. So this is the chart. So I want to display the area. This is the area chart here. Like I create this one. Now I'm going to the sheet 4 here. So customer name wise, quantity. So this is the charts given. So here I want to display the text here. Okay. So I want to display text here. Click it. So it will display text. Now I create the 4 sheets, right? Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So now remove the sheets 5, 6. So these 4 sheets. So I'm using the dashboard. So what is the dashboard? This is the dashboard, right? These are the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 like this. Okay. So and this is the dashboard, right? This is the dashboard. Okay. This is the storyboard. Okay, so what is the dashboard? What is the storyboard? So already we discussed the sheet. Sheet is nothing but simply user can design the visualizations. So what is the dashboard? So dashboard means we can combine the all the sheets into the dashboard. So dashboard consists of the how many sheets available in the present visualizations. So each sheets any we can put into the dashboard. Okay, now so here sheet 1 I'm using the dashboard, sheet 2 using dashboard, sheet 3 I'm putting the dashboard, sheet I'm keeping the dashboard. Okay, 4 sheets I combine the 4 sheets into the dashboard. Now what is the storyboard? Okay, so sheet all the sheets plus dashboard. Dashboard you can use the storyboard. Storyboard means it is a PPT, just like PPT. In the PPT, I am putting the different slides. Okay, so I am creating the slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Likewise, we can use the storyboard. Storyboard consists of the combine the dashboard and the sheets. What is the dashboard? So dashboard will combine the multiple sheets into the dashboard. Okay, what is the sheet? Sheet means you can use the user can develop the first visualization task. Okay, now I'm going to Tableau here. Tableau dashboard here. Okay, so in the dashboard. Now I'm going dashboard here. This is the dashboard. Just click it here. Now here, so when you click the dashboard, it will be able to see the all the sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. Now you can combine the all sheets in the dashboard. Now taking this one. So this is the first sheet. I'm taking the second sheet here. Okay. Now I'm taking the third sheet here. Now I'm taking the fourth sheet here. Right. So you can combine the all sheets into the dashboard. So all the sheets you can put into the dashboard. Now I want to display the storyboard here. Okay. In the storyboard, click here. So it will able to see the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 and the dashboard. So now I want to display the one slide. So now I want to display the second slide. Now I want to display the third slide. Third report. Now I want to display the fourth one. So now I want to display the, okay. Now, so here, click here. This is the first sheet and the second sheet and third sheet and fourth sheet. And finally, this is the dashboard. All the sheets, combine all the sheets here. So based on this, we can able to see the all the steps are coming class. No worries. Okay. This is just demo purpose. I'm using the demo purpose. Okay. Now come minimize this one. So this is the topic I've covered here. Okay. All the topics I've covered all the topics. No worries. Okay. What is the set? Set means we can combine the different. Suppose I'm going to here. Suppose here I'm going to here. I'm taking another sheet. Here I want to do the sets here. Sets will be working the only dimensions only. So bins will be working in the only measure values. Here I'm going to creating some sets here. Okay. Now edit here. Right click here. Create set here. Okay. I want to group the some customer name. Right. Set. So here if you want to display some, see. So I want to create the set here. Some names. Now giving the some a simply just for understanding purpose. Okay. Now. Okay. So it will be create the A name, right? This is the A name, right? Now, so just drag and drop in the A into the row cell. So right click here and show member list here. So it will display the what we are selecting the customer name. So it will give the output, right? So I select the some names only, but that I created some set. I need some only requirement as per client requirement. I need some starting with A. So then we can apply the quantity here. This is the answer. Right. And again, I want to display the top 10. You can display top 10. I want to display bottom 10. You can apply the bottom. Likewise, you can create the visualizations. So by applying, you can use a different chart here. Okay. So each charts and you can create the client requirement. So this is the basics point. So every day we are using the first page. In the first page, you can see the all the dimension. You can able to see the all the measure values. You can see the every options available in the tab. You can every day you can check it. You can do the everyday process based on client query. Okay. Suppose client query, I want display customer name and the profit quantity. So this is the question I'm going to apply. So now I'm going to customer name and drag and drop and rows here. Okay, now this is the query completed. Okay, okay, completed. So in this, I want display the only starting with the remaining I don't want, because this is the used data, right? So now I can apply the filter. So customer name drag and drop here. Okay, now I want to apply the so in the wildcard, I want to display the starting with the A. So you can apply it here, apply, okay. Now it will display the only name, starting with name. So remaining items will be added by you. So what you are select the names, okay. So I want to display the B. Okay, I want to display the B here, okay. I want to display B. So I'm select here, apply, okay. It will display the B names. So these are the requirements. So many queries are there. So simply you can understand. Okay. So this is about the demo purpose, I'll tell you, okay, and the groups, hierarchies, okay, and the charts available, and the storyboard, dashboard, action, everybody functions. So these are the some important points. So after the completion of the module 1, module 2, module 3, so we are going to the SQL. So SQL you can understand. So you can basic queries you need, no need in depth. Okay, just 20% you need to learn SQL, MySQL or Oracle. So this is the basics, because Tableau will be working into the, without SQL, Tableau cannot work. So this is the combination of the Tableau and the SQL. Without SQL, Tableau cannot do the visualization. So by using Tableau, by using the SQL queries, Tableau will be working in visualization methods. So backend will be going to the SQL first. Front end will be it will display the visualizations. Okay. So GUI mode lo display chestunni. In the backend you can apply the queries. Here something query. I tell you simple method. Okay. And now I'm creating another thing. Here I want display the category. Okay, category profit. This is the visualization. So GUI mode. So graphical user interface. So in the graphical user interface, you can able to see the charts. This question. So coming to backend, what is query? You can write the query. You can write the query. Suppose, for example, I'm writing simple query here. So for understanding, now I'm writing the backend query. Okay, select. Okay, select. So I want this with category, correct? So I'm taking the category. Okay, category from our table name is, so order. This is the table name. Okay, now I'm typing here. Table name is order. Okay, this is the table name. Now this is the query. It will be working the backend. This query working in backend, right? So select. This is you can select the selector. So what is the field? Category. Okay. So what is the table name? This is the table name. So likewise, you can write the query in the backend. Again, I'm write the another query. Okay. Time is up. Okay. And we will discuss the afternoon section. I've called upping to in the WhatsApp group. So you can join the second sections also. This is a demo purpose. What I said you. And coming to afternoon section, you can install the Tableau. How you can install the Tableau? What is how you get the student's license key? I will tell you the afternoon sections. Okay, I feel you can understand what are the I'm saying few words. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ping me via WhatsApp. I'll tell you some queries. Okay, so whatever you need, you can ask me. You can put the message in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so afternoon section, you can install the Tableau desktop in your PC. I tell you the steps. So this is about the demo purpose. I will tell you the simplify some points here. So this you are the experienced person, not a new joiner. Okay, so based on that you can